Hey everybody, just wanted to do some quick notes about selecting audio in Audacity, just to clear up a little bit of confusion. So once we have something recorded in Audacity, there are a variety of ways that we can select a piece of audio for editing. The first quick thing is just to double click on the track. If you do that, it selects the whole of that current segment, so from one end to the other. If we click again anywhere else, it deselects and just goes back to the regular insertion bar. Okay. Now you notice the finger pointers that came up when you cross the cursor of the mouse over the insertion bar. When that arrow shows up, it means that you're in drag selection mode. So you can just hold down your mouse button and drag to open up that selection. Okay. And once you have something selected, you can go to either end of it and pick up a pointy finger. And when you get to that, then you can change how much you have selected using that particular technique. Again, no modifier keys. We're just using the primary button on the mouse. So for most people, that's the left button on the mouse. Okay. You can also, if you have the whole of a selection made, then you can hold down the shift key, and as soon as you hold the shift key, you notice that the finger pointer is there, and it's pointing at the end of the selection that will be affected if you click somewhere. So if I slide over this direction, you'll see that the finger changes the other way, and wherever I click, it's going to shorten that end to the point I click on. So if I click here, you'll notice that it shortens the selection to the point where I've clicked. Again, if I hold down shift and I go to the other end and I go over to here and I click here, it shortens that end to that point. Okay, so it's just giving us another way to modify the amount that's selected. Of course, I could have done that same selection by starting here and dragging, no modifier keys, just using the mouse and dragging that amount. Okay. Another couple of quick hits without the mouse is using the keyboard. Wherever you have your selection point, if you hold down shift and hit the K key, it will select from there to the end of the track. And similarly, if you have somewhere your insertion bar and you hold down the shift key and hit the J key, it will select to the beginning of the track. Okay, so just some quick ways to select audio that you want to work on in Audacity. That's it. Hope it helps. Have fun.